primetime news this evening, another illegal land sale. Authorities intervene as residents of rural St. Catherine community try to recover their money. Dancehall entertainer Tommy Lee freed after nearly 3 years behind bars. And worst dry spell ever? Farmers tell how they are navigating the current drought.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. You're on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Giovanni Dennis.
And I'm Janella Precious with a preview of what's to come in business news. Here's Andrea Chisholm.
Well, Janella, the Bureau of Standards Jamaica is to make changes to their operations. I'll give you the details later in the business day.
And Karen is also here with a preview of what's to come in sports. Karen.
Well, Giovanni, World Athletics has made a decision that will have massive implications for transgender athletes as well as those with differences of sexual development. I'll give you the details later.
And Romain is here with a preview of what's to come in weather. Romain?
Thanks so much, Janelle. Now, we have fair skies across most of the area tomorrow, and we still have those dry conditions persisting across the area. Not much in terms of any rainfall is expected over the next few days.
There's also sports commentary and E-Prime in this newscast, but before the break, the feedback question.
This evening we're asking, what more do you think can be done to protect persons from fraudulent land deals?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and tweet us at TVJ News Center.
Stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.